Okay. You want some of Mommy's Cheerios? Oh yeah, we like to eat out of the cup, don't we? Cheerios! So Mommy gets some. You gotta chew them good. Gotta chew them real good. You gotta chew them good. Oh, you got a couple of them out now. What you gonna do with more than one, huh? Oh, okay. You like the ones out of the cup. They taste better. Yeah, the ones out of the cup taste better. What you doing with them? I'm putting them where they belong. Okay. It's gonna take us a long time to eat all these Cheerios at this rate, Caitlin. Oh! There's one. There's one. You want to put it back in? No. We're going to take them out. We'll put things back in later. Alright. Okay, Mom's going to put it. You going to put it back in? You don't want that one? Okay, thank you. Oh, those go back in? Okay. Oh, did it stick to your hand? There it goes. Got another one put back in? Okay. Any more? Oh, thank you very much, sweetie. Couple more? Alright. Thank you. I think that one stuck to your finger. Oh. Thank you! Good job, Caitlin! Good job! Oh, now we're going to start over. Okay. Oh, now we're just going to dump things. Alright, say bye-bye! Can you say bye-bye? Bye-bye! Bye-bye!